Let me tell you a little story about why my wife is awesome, why she's a great mom, and a little story about a puppet show. Today we had planned to go to the science center with the boys and some of our friends, but when we woke up, Candace was feeling terrible. She was so sick, she had to stay home and miss the fun with the boys. And while we were out, Micah took a hard fall right on his face. And when I told her about it, I'm sure she was feeling bad she wasn't there to comfort him. So we were all off. Candace was sick, Micah was busted, and even though our friends were a really big help, I was dead tired from an afternoon wrangling the boys without her help. But when we got home,
Buddy and I are gonna put on a puppet show for you and Miles.
Me.
Super fun.
Me.
Yeah, you're gonna be playing the role of the dog.
what you got there, buddy?
Dog.
Let me see.
Henny. Owie.
Hold it up.
Henny. Owie.
His name is Owie.
Yeah.
What does Owie say?
Woo. 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 Woo.
Candace had decided to break out the arts and crafts supplies and make puppets to play with Micah and Miles. Such a simple but a cool idea. You know, it'll always be these sweet little moments that matter the most in life. But sometimes, making these sweet little moments happen means rising above how you feel, whether you're tired or sick or just not in the mood. And Candace does that all the time for Micah, for Miles, and for me. That's why my wife is awesome. That's why she's a great mom.
Okay, now, get Miles.
So without further ado, the puppet show.
Good afternoon, everybody. Hi, Owie, how are you? Okay, so I'm a cat. What is my name?
Heidi.
Hi, G. Okay. Hi, G. And hi, I'm Owie. Who wants to help me do the puppet show?
Me.
Who said that?
Me.
Where? Raise your hand. I don't see you. Oh, there you are. Okay, if you want to help with the puppet show, come back here. Okay, hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Okay, now tell everybody what your name is.
Milo.
Milo? Okay. No, okay, the puppet's name. Your name is Micah. What are you talking about?
Oi.
Oh, hi, Owie. Can I give you a big kiss? Now, do you want to sing a song with me? Okay, now what song should we sing? The Wheels on the Bus? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Here we go. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Oh, he could be in the puppet show too. The babies on the bus go where, 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 where. The babies on the bus go where, 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 all through the town. Oh, what's next? The mommies? Okay, Owie. The mommies on the bus go all through the town. Owie, you're not singing. I don't hear you.
Where's Owie?
The daddies on the bus say, I love you, I love you, I love you. The daddies on the bus say, I love you, all through the town.
Yay!
Oh.